Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to do a screenshot on computer. Here are the steps to take a screenshot on a Windows PC. First, turn on your computer and log into your desktop. Prepare the screen you want to capture, or open the app, file, photo or browser window. Press print screen on your keyboard. Then make sure on the print screen tool is set to full screen, so this copies the entire screen to the clipboard. Open Paint or an image editor by pressing Windows plus S, then type Paint, and hit Enter. Paste the screenshot into Paint. Press Ctrl plus V. Crop or edit the screenshot if needed using the tools in the Paint. Click File, then Save As. Choose a file format, for example, PNG or JPEG. Name your file and select the save location. And then click Save. Your screenshot is now saved and ready to use. Bonus shortcut options. Windows plus print screen saves a full screenshot directly to the Pictures, Screenshots folder. Alt plus print screen captures the active window only. Windows plus Shift plus S opens snipping tool for selecting a custom screenshot area. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.